How to add sound effects to video in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and make sure you are in the Edit tab. This is where you will do all the timeline-based editing, including adding your sound effects. Next, go to the Media pool and import your sound effect files by right-clicking and choosing Import Media, or just drag and drop them from your file explorer directly into the Media pool. You can use MP3, WAV, or other supported audio formats. Now, locate the spot on the timeline where you want the sound effect to play. Simply drag your audio clip from the Media pool and drop it onto an audio track below your video track. If there isn't an existing audio track, just drag the sound effect below and DaVinci Resolve will automatically create one for you. After placing the sound effect, you can adjust its position by dragging it left or right along the timeline to sync it perfectly with the video action. You can also trim the audio clip by selecting the edges and dragging them in or out as needed. If the volume of the sound effect is too loud or too low, just click on the clip and adjust the volume level in the inspector panel on the right side. You can also apply a fade in or fade out effect by dragging the white handles that appear on the clip's edges. Lastly, to organize your audio better, consider naming your sound effect clips or placing them on separate audio tracks. This will help keep your timeline clean, especially if you are working on multiple sound layers. And that's it. Now you know how to add sound effects to video in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.